Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you how to install Canon LBP 6030 printer driver in Windows 11 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open any of your web browsers in your PC or on your laptop. As you can see, I've currently opened my Opera web browser. You can also open Chrome or any of the other web browsers. In the search bar of it, you just have to search for Canon LBP 6030 printer driver. When you look for it, you just have to simply hit enter. Now, after doing so, you will find a bunch of different links that includes Windows 32 bits, 64 bits, LBP 6030 links. So here I want you to click on the first link. You can also click on these two links. You just have to come here on the website of Canon. So over here, after clicking on the second link, as you can see, it is again going to show you this download button. Now we also have this download button available, and this particular driver is last updated in 15th July 2015. So here, in order to download the driver, you just have to click on the option of download. Afterwards, the driver will start to download in your device. You just have to make sure that the .exe file is selected. So once it is done, simply click on the option of save. Now, as you can see, when it shows you that your download is completed, you just have to double click on the setup and you need to simply install this driver on your PC or on your laptop. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.